Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video we are learning what is cookie and how can we implement it in our project and what is the use of cookie in our browsers. So here we're gonna learn this and at the end we are taking practical lessons through it. Okay. So cookies are the text files with small piece of data like username and password that we identify your computer as you use your computer network. Specifies that cookie is HTTP cookie are identify the user to improve browser experiences. So we can use these cookies to identify the user and so with that we can improve the browser experience of the user. And the cookie will be stored in the browser connection side that so we can see our all the cookies in the browser. This is connection side right here. So when we click this is connection is secure. Okay. And okay, cookie and connection data and manage cookie data. So these are the cookies that the Google Docs is storing in there in our browser, like this Google and contact Google Doc. This is the cookie unique name, like this google.com is a cookies name, and here they are storing our cookies, and we can easily delete this through this. Okay. When I click this, the cookie will be deleted like this, like this, like this. So in this video we are checking how can we create this type of cookie and how can we delete it from our project whenever we need. So we can identify the user and make the HTTPS request is secure, and we can easily use this. Okay, right? So let's get the practical thing. Okay, hello. So we are using this package to create cookie and manage our cookie things, JS cookie, and we can easily install through this command npm I JS cookie. Okay, this command is copied now, so I'm gonna close all other tabs. And now this is our old project that we created in last session. So now I'm opening the command prompt and simply I'm going to start this project. Okay, now it's starting. So I'm removing this thing. I think we need this button. Okay, we are leaving this as it is button. Okay, right. So we can create cookie on click button. For example, I'm gonna create the cookie when I click the user in this button. Okay, right. So wait until the project is starting. So now until the project is starting, we simply apply this command in new terminal. So this is npm JS cookie. It will install all the modules that we needed in our project. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, so now the package is installed already. Okay, so this package is now installed. We can go package.json. So recheck this package is installed or not. Okay, so now package is installed and that version is 3.0.5. Okay, right now we can use the modules, uh, use that JS cookie modules in our project directory. So this is the button. Okay, right, dialog from to root. Okay, so now project is start. So I'm gonna when I click this button, I want to create a cookie. For example, create a cookie. This is the button. Okay. So and this is the function. When I click this button, this function is called. So for example, I'm gonna log here, call. Okay. So this is the inspect element, and this is the console. When I click this, the function is calling right now. Okay. So we are creating cookie. We want to create the cookie when we click the click on that function. Okay, right now. So this is a cookie. I'm gonna import that module now, and the cookie name is, this is the key value, right guys, and this is the value. I want to set name key value, and the value is our name, like this. This is the cookie name, and here we're gonna add this parameter expires 7. Expire 7 means, guys, when we enter 7, that means it will, after the 7 days, it will automatically expire and remove from our entire site. So we cannot use after that 7 days expiration of this. And this is the path we can enter where we want to store the cookies in path. So we are going to leave this, so it will automatically store default path. And this is the expire 7. So after expire 7 days, it will automatically expire and remove from our browser. Okay, so this is the third parameter, guys. Okay, now I think when I click this, it should be create a new cookie, right, guys? So this is the cookie site and fantastic, not secure. Okay, this is where first of all we are gonna cookie and site setting, manage all cookie, and this is localhost. So first of all I'm gonna remove this and refresh this. Okay, refresh. Okay, so when I click this, it should be create name key value, and the value should be SHAILESH PATIL. Okay, so when I click this, so let's check the cookie store or not. Okay, not. Okay, so let's go to application. This is the name, this is key value, and this SHAILESH PATIL is stored successfully. And this is the domain value. This is the what domain we have, and this is the path, default path that is stored, and this is the expire value. So that means, so after the 7 days, it will automatically remove from our browser, and no one can access this after that 7 days. So with this, we can secure the user connection. We can store token value and other things to the user, right? How can you remove? So remove is just simple. We can add cookie.remove, so it will remove the cookie hour. Okay, so I'm gonna okay. So let's check it. So refresh. So cookie is cookie will not refresh, not delete after the refresh. This is the so when I click this cookie button, it will remove this name and all our things, right? So first of all, refresh the button. When I click this, it will hit the refresh, so it will remove our cookie, right? So this is a cookie set, and how can we remove? We check this. And update, we can use the same thing like cookie just set and the key value, so we can easily update the cookie. Okay, so this is the same, and we can also check our domain, well, domain name, path, or any other things like specific. You can check the documentation of packages cookie.js. I'm gonna uh, add this to our description. Okay, guys, so you know now what is cookie and how can you implement it in your project, and you can secure the user through the token and the username you can use to store their browser and to identify the user. And this is the thing we can use in cookie. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our channel to get a new notification. Thank you.